back with another banger. I'm DecemberDeMarco, Fortune 500 marketer, and I'm here to share my insights of the market with y'all to hopefully help y'all become better informed investors, man. Salute to everybody pulling up. Drop in the comment section if you pulled up ASAP, man. Make sure y'all hit that thumbs up like button for the YouTube algorithm. It is very important. That is the way that YouTube understands that y'all are enjoying this content. Y'all have to push that button for me. Remember, this information is free 99. That's all I'm requesting. So this is for the Shiba Inu coin investors, those that, you know, are bullish on SHIB. Shiba Inu is about to take off, I believe. I'm still extremely bullish where I see Shiba Inu eventually going to 1 cent. So let's just discuss a little bit about what's going on. You know, we got AMC CEO looking for a way to onboard SHIB. We just got the news on that as well. We also got the $1 billion purchase of SHIB. A lot of people are talking about, which might actually just turn out to be a transfer, which that's what it looked like through my research. It was just a transfer. So let's just get into everything we got. But for right now, come join the family, our own private investment community, private stock market game here on Facebook. We have got over 5,000 active investors. Right now, we have over 2,000 people in the waiting room. I will be letting some of y'all in if you want to get access immediately to our community. You have to have the course. So y'all that are ready to take it to the next level, email me to get the course. So also follow me on Twitter at DecemberDeMarco, the same way that the YouTube channel is spelled, as well as Instagram. Be aware. There is a fake scammer, you know, pretending to be me, and, you know, has possibly scammed people before. I'm not sure, you know, if he actually, you know, got away with anything, but a few of my subscribers have showed me that they were very close to being scammed by this person. That fake Instagram page is December.DeMarco. My real page is at DecemberDeMarco. No dot in the middle of the DecemberDeMarco. So keep that in mind. If y'all see that fake page, go report them. Make sure y'all don't fall off anything. Be aware also in the YouTube comments, there are scammers pretending to be me. You know, they see we taking off right now, so they trying to, you know, take advantage of people, and I just want y'all to be better informed of what's going on. So follow me on Twitter as well to stay up to date. That way y'all can get access to knowing, you know, live information that I'm posting. Especially if you don't have access to that group yet. If you don't have access to our private investment community, you need to be following me on Twitter, ASAP. So the price is right now at $56.94. We just got the news that the CEO of AMC was thinking about potentially onboarding SHIB as a payment option. We just got some confirmation that he's, you know, looking for ways to do that. So we seen a little uptick in the price right now, but we're still trading along this trend line. Remember this trend line I made here yesterday? We can still see that we're trading along this line, and we are scheduled for some breakout. Now, you know, I don't have a crystal ball here. I cannot say if this breakout will be to the upside or to the downside, but we're scheduled for a breakout here on the 9th. We were scheduled for one on the 7th, as well as the one we seen around the movement that we were seeing, you know, here on the 5th happened, we predicted to happen on the 5th at this breakout. Happened just a little earlier. I'm starting to even think some of these, you know, bigger investors and other players in the game might even be tuned into the channel and watching this TA and understanding that y'all are becoming better informed investors. So they, you know, might play a little more games with this to, you know, fake people out. But we see, if we zoom in a little bit, and we're on the 30-minute chart, no particular reasons, just happened to be the time frame I was on once we started this. I normally, you know, go through each time frame just to look at different patterns, different formations that I could see, and we are currently forming higher lows from this support that we found here right along the 78.6% range of our Fibonacci retracement zone. So that I've been calling these, you know, spots out, and I'm even teaching y'all how to identify these areas yourself, so that way you don't have to just wait for me to upload a video when the price is at a discount. It might not be there for, you know, too long. So, you know, you'll be able to identify, is this a good buying opportunity right now? So that's what I'm trying to actually teach y'all. That's why I tell y'all this is not just a YouTube video. This is actually a class. So drop in the comment section, hashtag class is in session, you know, for the y'all that are really, you know, taking this serious. I want to, you know, I really need to gauge this. So we're making these higher lows. I'm expecting to see a breakout to the upside. Remember, I always tell y'all, if we don't get volume, we don't get no, you know, we don't go up. That's it. It's that simple. We are currently moving in this downward trend. I told y'all also, once we if you see right here, once we pass that 50% range at the 61.18 level, that signal that we could likely be trading in a bearish, you know, direction. So what I told y'all is we need to find support. We need to hold the line. We didn't hold the line. We allowed the price to drop under there. We under our support of that 50% range, and now that range became our resistance zone. We fought all the way, with the sellers. The sellers, won this area and pushed the price all the way down to 4496, and buyers pushed the price back up. I was buying these dips like crazy, y'all. I just added a whole nother bag to my sheet because I'm extremely bullish on this going to 1 cent. We're seeing more mass adoption. Y'all have to think about, this from, a marketing, standpoint. When you start to see mass adoption, you start to see, new technologies, you start to see the ecosystem grow. Notice that we're starting to see shib accepted here, stickers and placards. That's different now. Once, it's just like how Visa and MasterCard started off, or initially when people started to accept crypto, when you start to see those little orange Bitcoin accepted here, or that you could pay with crypto. This is what's happening. Shib is going to start something completely different from what we've seen with any other crypto, I believe. That's why I'm very, very bullish on this project. Imagine once Shibarium drops. When Shibarium drops, if it's successful, we toast, y'all, and that's in a good way. Y'all already know. Y'all got to start to identify the different ways. When I say some toast, it could mean in a good way or a bad way. You just got to be rocking with me enough to be able to determine. But let's see. Also, we can't. It's trading sideways right now. When it's trading sideways like that, I told y'all this means that the market has agreed on it. They're indecisive of which way they want to go, if they want the price to move up or down. But right now they agreed on a fair price of right around here, where we're seeing this 58.95 range. We traded sideways right there for a while, but we're at that 57.52 range right now. So you see we're continuously moving up, and we getting some nice price action right here live. This is why I like to do this live with y'all, so we can make updates and y'all can see my thought process as we move through this. So if we break out of this, which is looking like we're breaking out of our out of this wedge we're forming here, we could possibly retest our resistance zones. We have major resistance at we got a little resistance that's just approximately 61.42, 62.48 approximately, but that major resistance zone. Shout out to everybody reaching out to the channel. Appreciate y'all. Hey, make sure y'all tap in with me if you want to get this course. There's not 50 seats left. It is dwindling down. If you're very serious about this, you need to tap in. Also, I got some amazing news that I will be sharing with y'all. Shout out to I'll be dropping more on it, but one of my students have made $3 million. We have proof. We got a full testimonial. Salute to bro. I appreciate you for rocking with me. Congratulations on your success. Also, another one of my students has hit that 7-figure mark, but I asked him would he like to share it with the channel. He said he didn't, he really didn't want to, and I can't blame him for that. But congratulations to you as well, bro. A lot of my students have hit their first 6-figure mark. Congratulations to y'all as well. 7 figures coming next. My mission right now is to pull as many people across this 7-figure mark as possible. So y'all tap in with me. Make sure y'all are subscribed. YouTube is showing me that over 20,000 unique viewers are viewing between 6 and 7 videos per week and have not yet hit the subscribe button. Make sure y'all hit that button. I don't know if you've been watching these videos and you haven't subscribed yet. Let me know why haven't you done that. It's 100% free. Subscribe, turn on your notifications. You don't have to pay anything to do that. These videos are free 99. I'm giving y'all live technical analysis so that way y'all can become better informed investors. I'm not taking a lot of times what I see is people taking screenshots and then they'll do the TA on nothing live, so they can't give y'all updates on what's happening. Look at this. It looks like we're seeing this happen live. A nice breakout happening. We just went from the 56 level to the 58 level live. This is what I like to show y'all. And if we can hold above this level, we need to take out 58.95. If we could take 58.95 out, we will be retesting 64.50, just approximately 65 level. We'll retest right there, and that will be our previous area in the chart right here. If we look here, this was our support. So if we can break that support, we can start to retest these different areas of resistance here, and eventually we'll be back targeting the 7.5 range. So I hope y'all been loading up on those dips, especially if we take off right here. Remember, I don't have a crystal ball. I can just interpret the data on the chart and say what it's likely to do and tell y'all how to become better informed investors. Y'all see we are doing this live. Also, y'all might see people recording or rewinding the data on the chart and then pressing play and letting it play out. That's not live, y'all. I'm giving it to y'all live. So let me know if y'all appreciate this information as well. I'm gonna give it a little more price action. See, you know, what do we do? Do we break that? Do we break this trend line here? And we broke the trend line. We officially broke the trend line. We are at 58.31. So this may activate, you know, people to start adding to their positions here. Hopefully we don't see a, you know, a quick sell off, but it's looking good right now. We have some volume here coming in. You know, I always try to tell y'all we need volume. Yes, we will need more, but look at it right now. You know, it's moving. So we're seeing some sell off happen. They're pushing the price back down. It's pushing back up. It's at 58.23, 58.21, 58.18, 58.19, 58.20. I'm calling this live for y'all. 58.19. Let's see what happens. Let's give it a second, y'all. So shout out to y'all for rocking with me. Appreciate y'all. If you would like to get my technical analysis course, you can get it right now. That way you can learn to fish for yourself. You do not have to just, you know, always wait for somebody else to provide this information for you. You know, if you have over $1,000 invested into crypto and you've never, you know, read any books on it, you know, taken it serious to take any courses, classes, or anything to further the education on it, you are selling yourself short and you're doing your money a disservice. I'm telling you, tap in with me to get the course. This is very serious. This is only for those that are ready to take it to the next level. If you're just still, you know, trying to learn and figure it out and you're not really ready to go to the next level, then continue to watch these videos for free. You don't have to pay anything being a part of this channel. If you go back and watch my last 50 videos, you will be a more informed investor than, you know, 99% of the people that are coming to YouTube to get this information. So let me know, are you subscribed? Drop, you know, just let me know, are you subscribed to the channel? You know, drop a comment so I can get familiar with some of the new people. I can see some of y'all names over and over, and that way once we do live streams, I'll begin to shout y'all out and stuff like that as well. So let's see, let's look at some of the sentiment in the market. So let's refresh this just in case anything new popped up. So here we are on the Shib Army Reddit page, and just looking at the different, you know, posts people are making, seeing what people are saying about it, seeing if they seem positive about it. So someone says the impossible will happen, 1 cent. I'm telling y'all here, y'all gonna play this video back, you know, I don't care how long it takes. I told y'all I'm 5 years plus, 10 toes down, holding shib diamond handed, you know. So this is gonna be a long journey. Make sure, you know, if y'all need inspiration along this journey, you know, somebody to, you know, let y'all know, you know, I'm bullish on shib, but I like to keep it real as well. I'm not gonna just all the time, every video, be saying shib is going to the moon, going to the moon. Do I believe long term we will see 1 cent? Yes, but this is a journey. You know, it's not just something that's gonna happen overnight. So someone says shib is fun to talk about because I actually wanted to do the impossible and crack 1 cent. That's what Doge did. Plus the shib army is cool. Yes, we are cool. So drop hashtag shib army is cool if, you know, you rocking with us. Crypto whale buys 20 trillion Shiba Inu tokens for 1.1 billion, while petition to list Shiba on Robinhood gets 500,000 signatures. So that's another, you know, major catalyst, that much demand for shib to be listed on Robinhood is there. That is absolutely mind-blowing. Robinhood is not ignoring this. Trust me, they are scrambling in the background trying to figure out how to onboard this because they're missing out on money by the second, literally by the second. So we know that about 64% of Robinhood's earnings of 2021 were through the transaction fees of Dogecoin. Shib right now is the most popular cryptocurrency in the world, trading at sometimes higher volume than Ethereum and Bitcoin. And, you know, you don't think Robinhood wants a piece of that cake? They definitely do. They definitely are paying attention. You know, there might be some bigger reasons that we don't know about in the background. I'm just expecting them to, you know, get done with their crypto wallet first, so that way they can, you know, get even more you know, customers that are already currently involved in crypto. Shout out to y'all reaching out to the channel. Appreciate y'all. I got y'all. But for those that are basically refusing to invest into Robinhood via crypto because they don't have a wallet where it can be sent to another user from another user, right now Robinhood owns all the cryptocurrency that you buy on Robinhood. So I believe people are waiting for that feature, and Robinhood understands from a marketing standpoint, once they release a wallet that can do that, they will actually take a lot of customers from other crypto exchanges as well. That's going to be major. So Coinbase is gonna, you know, see some smoke behind this. They're gonna lose some customers possibly. I don't want them to, you know, I'm not saying it like that, but you know, Robinhood is gonna, you know, bring on, you're gonna take a lot of people away from other places because the simplicity, the user interface is easy to use, and you know they have the name already. So let's see, AMC is going to accept SHIB. Let's go. Sorry, AMC earning call, live stream, mega unity call, all are welcome. So they let's go into here, announce that they will be accepting it. So the apes meet the real dogs. So shout out to, you know, the AMC apes as well. Shout out to my bro Connie. You know, he's one of the original AMC apes that's been telling y'all for a very long time to grab AMC. Shout out to bro. I got a little bag in there too. But so someone said Adam Aaron, CEO of AMC, announced verbally on the call that among other cryptocurrencies, SHIB is in the works for being accepted as payment by AMC. That is going to be absolutely crazy. We got use case everywhere. We got, you know, you can buy jewelry now in SHIB. Y'all know, if y'all are looking to buy any you know, jewelry, shout out to my jeweler Mohammed at Flawless, the diamond company. Y'all can tap in with me to purchase, you know, Rolexes, whatever you want to buy, diamond chains, whatever. You don't have to buy this. I'm not encouraging y'all to take any gains for this, but I'm just saying for those that are at that point, because I got, you know, a few of my, you know, students have crossed multiple millions, so they might want to treat themselves with something. I'm just saying that we have more use case to SHIB as well, just saying that it's possible to buy it with that. Shout out to y'all reaching out to me, man. It's going crazy. My phone is absolutely blowing up after I, you know, I just mentioned it in that last video. I didn't even really release all the screenshots or the testimony, but y'all will be seeing that. Literally, he made $3 million following my advice. If y'all don't, if this doesn't wake people up, I don't understand. A lot of y'all might not be next in line then for this, you know, for this next you know, blow up that we're about to see, because y'all still might have a few, you know, times to go around the board to, you know, fully grasp what's going on here. But if you've been following my information, you are a much more informed investor than, you know, a lot of people. Now, do not take this as financial advice. You have to always do your own due diligence. You know, I'm not in control of your money. You know, you are. So research these projects. Ask the team questions. Never, ever risk more than you're willing to lose. Always use proper risk management. And, you know, you should be, you know, safe, and continue to, you know, further your education so that way you can become a better informed investor. That's, you know, pretty much all we got for this video. I'll make an update as well a little bit later. Appreciate y'all for pulling up. Tap in for the course. Email me DecemberDeMarco@gmail.com, and we are out.